I recently tried to receive SSTV from the ISS. I failed. I'll go over what happened next. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. On June 9th and 10th, MAI-75 was conducting an experiment of transmitting SSTV images over specific orbits. They decided to extend the event and transmit while over North America as well. This was on my list of things I wanted to do with SDR, but timing has always been an issue. Luckily, I was going to be able to catch the last pass over North America. I had a couple of days to prepare. Here's where the first failure happened. I didn't prepare. So on the morning of June 10th, I was scrambling around to get my temp station set up before the space station flew overhead. I had about a half an hour. I decided on using an RTL-SDR for the radio. So I grabbed my laptop, the SDR dongle, LNA, and my trusty rabbit ears antenna. This combination has worked awesome with NOAA weather satellites, so I had a good feeling using it for the space station. I get everything set up and go to boot up the laptop, and disaster strikes. The laptop freezes up while booting. So I rush back in and grab another laptop that has the SDR Play EXT-IO installed, but I have to install MMSSTV and configure it. 15 minutes to go and the software is ready. Now let's fire up SDR Play. No signal. There's an issue with the software that turns on the LNA. I don't have time to troubleshoot this, so I just remove the LNA, hoping it will work. No time left as the space station is coming into range. I see the indicator turn green in MMSSTV. We are getting an image. But it's all static. I'm not sure what is going on. Looking back, I see a few things. First, the volume should have been turned up, but that's just my preference and shouldn't be the issue. Second, it appears MMSSTV has chosen mode 180. The transmission was supposed to be in 120. Not sure what's going on there. And third, where is the signal? It is in the noise floor and I can't even see it on the waterfall. Did I place my antenna too close to the house? And is it shielding it from the space station? So in the end, I have a great picture of snow sent from the ISS and a lot of humility. Even if I would have spent an hour the night before to prepare, my software would have worked and this would have been an entirely different video. Oh, and the LNA? I've had this problem before and didn't remember the easy fix. So the lesson here is to make sure to prepare and test your gear before the event happens. Thanks for watching me fail. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like.
Picture or anything we can send out? I don't know. We're going to find out here if we can here. My wife is working with the picture machine to see what she can come up with. And so far we haven't got anything, but I mean, if we do get something...